MINOS system is a joint of different technologies which link together, create an innovative and very interesting system to control and monitor and manage all the public lighting plans, granting a very real and effective energy and maintenance saving. The system makes a real diagnosis and a deep analysis on every single component which compose the lighting point. So each lighting point is duly and deeply controlled and managed by our system. The system acts at three different levels: at lamp level, at cabinet level, and at supervisor level. At lamp level, the system uses a very simple device called sphere, which can be either placed within the luminaire, in the pole, or underground. The sphere collects all the information concerning the components of the lamp: capacitor, igniter, ballast, everything. And all the information collected at this point are sent to the cabinet. Within the cabinet, we have a central unit called andros, which collects, as I said, all the information of each lighting point. Andros can control and manage and collect the information of up to 1024 lighting points. The information collected by andros are then sent to the supervisor once the supervisor retrieves each andros. The supervisor calls, let's say, all the cabinets of the installation and collects all the information. The main characteristic of our supervising system, which is web-based and therefore easily accessible, simply browsing the net, is to have a unique and user-friendly interface which allows to export the data in XML format, and so therefore to use this data with all the most standard and common software. One of the most important features of our system is the use of power line communication technology between each single lighting point and the cabinet. This technology characterizes for the use of an existing electrical cable to make transmission of data and information.
Starting from power line communication technology, UMPI has developed a new concept of communication through power line. We have established a broadband communication on existing electrical cables, and so we can supply new services, a new kind of services to the population, to the people.
What we would like to show you is the realization of the concept previously explained about the broadband communication. The broadband communication that we developed is based on the use of the existing electrical lines to implement and use and have further services for the citizens, such as the use of displays, cameras, hotspot Wi-Fi, electrical bicycle feeders, or street lighting signals, or any kind of services that we could have using the electrical line. Now, we will show you in a very easy way how it's possible to have all these services using the existing electrical line, but installing the infrastructure that UMPI developed.
Starting from MINOS system that keeps feeding the lines without switching on the lamps, we can supply displays, cameras, and other devices that can give other services with a small impact in terms of cost and installation. All the services can be provided in an easy way. We have just to plug a normal electrical cable in our devices. Just plug here, and then the Ethernet cable. And the connection is made. Every device plugged into the lighting points can work even if the light is switched on. We can control from remote every device of this. We can show the camera image, we can switch on the light, and we can change the message on the banner. Further to all these devices and services, with MINOS system you can also implement a remote security service. With a simple remote like this, just clicking on a button, you can ask for help with the communication, with the power line communication. From the remote to the pole, that is geo-differentiated, the communication is via radio. And then with power line, the information and the app is remotized to the supervisor.